What is artificial intelligence? It's a hot term. Currently, there's a lot of confusion about AI, especially now. The search query returned over 12 billion links featuring OpenAI, Google AI, AI Chat, and more. Some vendors have added to the confusion by saying that whatever they do is, of course, AI. While there is no universal agreement on the definition of AI, it is commonly understood that AI comprises a variety of technologies, each with its own unique capabilities. Rather than being limited to tasks that were previously only achievable by human intelligence, AI has the potential to augment and enhance human capabilities, opening up new possibilities for innovation and progress. It is undeniable that some tasks, such as processing massive machine learning models that consume vast amounts of data, are beyond the capacity of human brains. There is debate about whether certain technologies qualify as AI one.
There is no widely accepted definition, but I think the most common ones involve defining AI as a collection of technologies, not just one, that can do tasks that were previously only possible by human brains. So things like reasoning and perception and decision making and other tasks requiring kind of knowledge and judgment and so on. However, that definition isn't perfect because some of the things we do with AI, particularly massive machine learning models that digest, unbelievable amounts of data, could have never been performed by human brains. And of course, there is some debate about whether some technologies are smart enough or new enough to be included in AI. Robotic process automation, some people say, well, it's not really smart enough to be true AI.
Statistical machine learning has been around for a long time, 30 or 40 years. Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithms that are commonly used for solving classification problems. They have been in use for around 20 years. Deep learning is a more advanced and multi-layered version of neural networks. Natural language processing, NLP, technologies have been in existence for a long time. They are used for both understanding and generating automated texts and stories. Rule engines, on the other hand, were once considered the last generation of artificial intelligence, AI. They rely on sets of logic-based rules and were at the core of expert systems in the late 80s and early 90s. Robotic process automation, RPA, is a technology that has a lot of potential for growth and development. Although it may not be as advanced as some of the other technologies, it is constantly evolving and improving. RPA is now increasingly being combined with other advanced AI technologies and cognitive cloud, which is enhancing its capabilities and making it even smarter. In fact, the term cognitive technologies is often used synonymously with AI. All these advancements are aimed at making the technology smarter and more efficient. We use technologies to analyze numbers, words, and images, which help us perform digital tasks with AI. Then, we utilize robots to perform physical tasks. This combination gives us AI. Data analysis has been a part of our routine for a long time with the help of business intelligence and data visualization. As we enter new generations of technology, we face challenges with context awareness and learning. Rabbit R1 is a one-button device that serves as your personal assistant, much like Emily from The Devil Wears Prada. Rabbit uses contextual information by considering multiple factors such as your surroundings and personal details. It might tell you, you need to get to the meeting now because I know your schedule, I have your calendar, I know where you are, and I know how long it takes to get to the office, and I have already ordered a taxi which will arrive in a minute. Rabbit can order and pay for lunch for you, book tickets, email, and reschedule an appointment if your schedule changes. That's, in a way, knowledge of context. It went on sale in January 2024 and is already sold out. So automated machine learning starts to move into that space. The direction in technology development leads us to combinations of AI, digital realm, and robotic process automation. Then we get fully autonomous robots and fully autonomous vehicles and so on, which are really performing physical tasks using context awareness and constant learning. We have movies that have smart machines and robots that are self-aware and intelligent, so when will it become a reality? Envision a world where all artificial machines and technologies unite to create a new future. But let's talk about individual categories and sort of break down what the AI tech can basically do now. If you're trying to understand the foundation of AI, there are three main components to consider: statistics, which form the basis of machine learning; semantics, which are integral to some types of natural language processing, though statistical NLP has become more successful in recent years; and logic in the form of rules. While statistically based NLP has become more powerful, there are still some supporters of semantics-based NLP. There are various AI techniques that are commonly used, such as neural networks, deep learning, and machine learning. These techniques are predominantly rule-based and rely on logic, although natural language processing can be based on either statistics or semantics, or sometimes both. We have a whole variety of applications of AI. How do we recognize images? How do we recognize speech? How do we create intelligent agents and chatbots, or intelligent robots, or cobots, collaborative robots? We need to do things like predictive and classification, which is the typical task of machine learning and robotic process automation. Here, I will briefly share those AI tools that are useful to me. If you've ever looked for an image, bought it from stock, created it in Photoshop, now you have neural networks to create images, and Stable Diffusion is the best one. Midjourney 6 and 5 are okay too. Recently, new functionality and visuals have taken the work to a new level. Now you can zoom in, work on a separate area, and function vary regions, which allows you to replace something in a separate fragment. Stable Diffusion allows you to train models and achieve unique results, where you control every little detail, from the tilt of a head to the fly flying in the background. In order to work with texts, one needs to choose between different chatbots such as GPT, GPT-4, and GPT-Team. With the help of GPT, anyone can create their own personalized chatbot service to meet their specific needs and even earn money. Additionally, you can take a look at Bard and Bing. Currently, Claude 2.1 is becoming increasingly popular for its ability to cover relevant contexts. If you're looking to transcribe text, I recommend using Riverside.fm. It allows you to download any, say, 2-hour training video and provides text in multiple languages. If you're interested in creating videos, I recommend Hagen. This tool allows you to create your own avatar and make videos in multiple languages at the same time. Another option is Runway ML Gen 1 and 2 for video creation. Additionally, the Pika is an interesting tool for creating animations. Deepfakes have become a common occurrence. Attackers can now use neural networks to generate fake videos featuring celebrities, along with artificially generated voices created using trained neural nets. This text was voiced using 11 Labs, where I chose Lily and selected the sound settings as British and narration.
In this course, we will explore AI and neural networks to enhance the educational environment. Since AI cannot be cancelled, it's important to integrate it safely and effectively to improve the learning experience. Thank you for your attention. I am eager to assist you.